The carbon brushes transfer electricity to the motor's armature. They are made of carbon with a lead wire attached and a spring which presses the brush firmly against the armature. The brushes contact the armature's commutator. Over time, the brush will wear down until it no longer contacts the commutator. If the tool is overloaded, the brush, the wire lead, or the spring can be burnt. A burnt brush will chip, the wire lead will discolor or melt in two, and the spring can break. Replacing the brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the brushes. The brush caps just simply unscrew with a screwdriver. With the cap removed, I can pull the brush out of the holder, and I repeat this on the other side. Now I can install the new brushes. I align the brush with the brush holder. Next, I'll place the cap on top of the brush and install it using a screwdriver. It's helpful to rotate the brush holder backwards until the threads align. You'll hear a click when they do. And then I just screw the cap in place. And I do the same thing on the other side.